This should be some matchup. This match set up by Mr. McMahon.
You know, I hope they destroy each other.
A no-holds-barred match. This is not going to be pretty.
Oh, like either of these idiots know a hold.
The elbow connects again. That was a noxious elbow right to the face. An elbow. Mankind, last night at Rock Bottom, used Mr. Sacco.
Oh, yeah, and could you imagine Mankind stuffing that nasty, stinking, filthy Sacco down the gullet of Mr. McMahon?
The Big Red Machine really needs to turn things around here.
Simple. As the stronger man, he has to bring his power into this one now and make it a factor. Oh, man.
Street fight.
What? He's going to have to go to the parking lot after Mr. McMahon.
Mankind needs to go and face Mr. McMahon in a street fight? Uh-oh, the Big Red Machine has been busted open. After all of these shots to the head, I've got a feeling that Soup's going to be on his diet for the foreseeable future. Let me remind everybody, there are no countouts. These competitors can stay out here as long as they like.
I don't believe it. Mankind is in a street fight with Mr. McMahon.
Oh, no. Help! Somebody help!
Why in the world would Mr. McMahon make this challenge?
Oh, this is awful. We need help. Somebody call 911. No, McMahon counters it. Oh, my gosh. Big DDT. Ooh, big shots from Mankind. I think I saw a tooth fly out. Ooh, big right hand. Oh, what a right hand.
For a guy without any significant training, Mr. McMahon is a heck of a fighter.
Mr. McMahon reversed it.
Oh, and the sound of that slap can be heard throughout the building. Mankind read that and countered. I'll tell you, never hesitate when you're in the ring with the chairman.
It's like I say, you give Mankind lemons, and he smashes them over your head.
Mr. McMahon on the receiving end, Mankind.
Get some arteries. Get a straitjacket. Put this lunatic away. Straitjacket!
Mr. McMahon is going to taste Sacco again.
Oh, look out, Mr. McMahon!
McMahon is getting shoved into a trunk. And there's The Rock.
Yes! Thank goodness! Oh, Rock! Lay some smackdown on him, Rock!
The Rock saving Mr. McMahon.
Oh, thank God!
No, not on the car. Rock bottom on the car. Rock bottom on the car.